The roaming laundress! With a strange fascination for laundromats, I travel the US rating laundromats on 7 different metrics to bring you all the information you need for your trip to the laundromat. Let's go! This week's laundromat is called Willcox Laundry, or AE's Laundry as labeled on Google Maps. It's located in Willcox, Arizona, about an hour and 15 minutes east of Tucson. Based on my overall experience, I'd give Willcox Laundry 3 out of 5 stars. The amount of washers and dryers is clearly one of the most important things in a laundromat. Willcox Laundry is a fairly small laundromat in a fairly small town. They have 10 regular washers, 2 3X washers, and 2 4X washers. They have 12 large dryers, 2 XL dryers, and 5 rolling carts. While the washers and dryers in Willcox Laundry were not new, they were all in pretty good condition, and only one was not working on the day I visited. Based on the quantity, condition, sizes, and price of the washers and dryers, I give them 4 out of 5 stars. The washing machines were all clean inside. You could tell that somebody even had wiped around the edges where they tend to build up residue. I give a cleanliness rating of 4 out of 5 stars. You can access the bathroom by getting a key from the attendant. It had a little bit of an icky feeling, I think primarily due to it being an older building. Everything seemed to be cleaned okay, but I give it a rating of 2 out of 5 stars. Payment options consisted of the standard change machine, 2 out of 5 stars. I always enjoy a good vending machine, and Willcox Laundry does have one. It has cold sodas, chips, and candy bars. They've also got a coin-operated dispenser with detergent and dryer sheets in case you forgot some of the essentials. The laundromat does have Wi-Fi, and technically the login information is posted, but I couldn't find it. It was on a teeny tiny business card, so I ended up asking the attendant, who was happy to give it to me. So I give the Wi-Fi 2 out of 5 stars, just for not being easy to find. 2 small seating areas with a total of 5 lightly padded seats. Does give you somewhere to sit down, as long as you're comfortable with your neighbors. 3 out of 5 stars for the seating. Willcox Laundry has 2 10-foot long tables. The problem is they're only about 2.5 feet wide, meaning that only 2 people can fold in the laundromat at any given time. For the amount of washers and dryers, this doesn't seem like quite enough. 3 out of 5 stars for the folding tables. Willcox Laundry is your average small laundromat in a small town, with just the basic amenities, but it was clean and had cute wall art on the outside, and I enjoyed my visit. If you're ever camping at the Indian Bread Rocks nearby, this is the place to go to do your laundry. Check back in for a new laundromat next week. Since this is my first YouTube channel ever, be sure to subscribe and tell somebody else who likes laundromats to subscribe. Thanks!